I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins at the opening market minute for Thursday, July 10th. Soybeans and corn are both lower in the early going, continuing to concentrate on the generally favorable crop weather in much of the Midwest and Plains, with some rain in the forecast for parts of the Corn Belt over the next few days, and that should boost development at these stages for both beans and corn. Old crop export sales on both corn and soybeans above a week ago. New crop corn did dip while soybeans improved slightly, and CONAB's new numbers out of Brazil on corn and soybeans, as expected this morning, were bearish. Wheat is higher, oversold and due for a bounce, keeping an eye on some dry weather in parts of Russia. Also continuing to watch the U.S. winter wheat harvest and spring wheat conditions in the northern U.S. plains and the Canadian prairies. Past that, grains and oilseeds continued their efforts to get ready for Friday's USDA supply, demand, and wheat production numbers. Live and feeder cattle are sharply higher, still waiting for direct cash cattle business to get underway. Box beef did close sharply lower yesterday, but the source of support this morning is the USDA once again closing the southern U.S. border to cattle imports from Mexico following the discovery of New World screwworm just about 400 miles from the southern U.S. border. That is going to end up impacting supply here, at least over the short term. And hogs are modestly higher. Pork export sales were below a week ago, but China was the leading buyer, followed closely by Mexico. With the opening market minute for Thursday, July 10th, I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins. Stay tuned for this afternoon's update.